Hey guys, it's Graceologist here and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. As promised, if you watched my last video, you saw that I had a Bloom Day birthday dinner, and it was kind of like this Bohemian theme party, and I had this Bohemian theme picnic style table, and on the table you can see my floating candle centerpiece. So today will be a breakdown on how I make that floating candle centerpiece. If you're interested in knowing how to do that, keep on watching. So I got all of my materials from the dollar store, so you'll definitely need a glass vase, some decorative pebbles or stones or whatever you want to use inside of your centerpiece, some flowers. I use hot pink roses. You can use whatever flower you want, duct tape, and a pair of scissors. Please excuse my setup. I actually didn't plan on recording this video, and then I was like, wait, let me record a video. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm cutting my flowers, and I'm trying to cut them in different sizes because I kind of want like I don't know what it's called, a domino effect, but I want my flowers to be different sizes. I want one big one, a small one, and that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm sizing it up with the centerpiece to make sure that my flower isn't taller than the centerpiece, and just trying to cut them up into different sizes. Alright, so now you can see I'm holding all my flowers together and they are all different sizes. And now I'm just kind of sorting them together, trying to figure out how I want to put them together, how I want them to look within the flower vase. And then I'm going to take a piece of duct tape and tape them together. So again, I'm arranging my flowers and they're all different sizes. And then I'm going to take that duct tape and I'm going to hold them together, tape them together. Voila! Alright, so now I'm just putting my pebbles inside of my flower vase. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of pebbles because I made a lot of these. I made like 10 of these flower vases. But I'm just putting a little bit inside of each flower vase, and then I'm putting my flower arrangement inside, just making sure that I try and hide the duct tape that's on my flowers within the pebbles. And then after that, I'm going to pour water inside. So as you can see, I'm being very messy. There's definitely a smoother and cleaner way to do this. But I'm going to pour water inside of my flower vase, and I want it to be just above the flowers. And then I'm going to put you can use a tea light, but the thing is a tea light burns fast. It burns like in 30 minutes. So I opted for using a floating candle, which I will link in the description box, and that lasts about anywhere between 5 and 8 hours. So I'm putting that right in the water, and it's floating, as you can see. And then I'm just going to light it. So there you have it, the floating candle centerpiece. Very easy peasy lemon squeezy. And all the materials you can get from the dollar store, and I got my floating candle from Amazon. I will link that in the description box again. But here's another look at it. Very easy, very simple. And here is a look at it at nighttime. Again, yeah, I feel like candles really create this warm and cozy vibe, and it just belongs at dinner parties. I feel like every dinner you need to have candles on your table. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe and share, and stay tuned for my next video because I will be showing you guys how I made my flower ice cubes. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.